Okay, here's a video on the Welt pocket. You take your one strip, lay it down. That is right side up. And if your fabric is noticeably directional, even on a small piece, the piece that you put on the bottom, the top of the fabric will be at the top. Take your second welt piece, and if, like I said, if you have a solid fabric or something that's not directional, you can just put them together right sides together. If your fabric is noticeably directional, the one that you put on top needs to be put upside down. And then, you'll see why in just a second. Okay, now we are going to sew right down the middle. So our piece is 2 inches wide. So we're going to sew a line at 1 inch. So I'm going to mark each end with one inch in the middle. Draw a line so I know where to sew. And just stitch right down. Okay, now we have our pieces sewn together, and you're going to take them and pull them apart. So it's going to look like that. And so that's why the fabric that we put on top, if your fabric is noticeably directional, that's why you put one upside down, because it ends up being folded down whenever you put it on, so that way it is right side up. Both sides are right side up. So then you give that a good press. Just press it with my fingers. And you take your pocket. The middle line, sorry, this should have been basted. I did not baste mine, so that's going to be a pain, but whatever. So baste that. Now it's going to go on the wrong side of your pocket bag. And the basting line needs to be right in the middle of the pocket. So I stick it on the wrong side and then flip it over and try to adjust it so it's right in the middle, the line's right in the middle. And then I go ahead and pin it in place. Sorry, you can't see. Of course, I'm using leather for my other side, so I'm not going to pin it. I'm going to hope that this one pin side will keep it together for me. Okay, now we'll move on to the zipper for it.